Today we're putting on the Car Armor Hail Protection System. 1/4 inch thick material for the hailstorms, protecting your vehicles of all types. So one size fits all. As we're going to the timing, we just had a hailstorm system hit North Texas Sunday night. $40,000 worth of damage. Extra straps held on by suction cups, industrial strength, that are all over the body of the car. They hold on to your body, windshields. And just for extra support, and you can do the strap downs for the heavy winds. Now he was at about a minute just to put the padding on. And that's it, about a minute and 30 seconds. 1/4 inch thick material, impact resistant, water resistant, keeps your windshield safe. Held on with industrial strength suction cups that hold on to your body. They're all over on your windows. This is the Car Armor. You can look us up at the website at the bottom. I hope this helps to keep your car safe.